Good morning, fam. If your spine feels stiff, your shoulders are creeping up, or your posture's already off, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll unlock your spine, reset your posture, and release that tension you've been carrying since yesterday. Move 3 hits different. Don't miss it. Let's hit the mat. Come to all fours. Rest on the shoulders, knees and hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat. Back and forth. This gentle spinal wave is like your wake-up call. We're starting here because when your spine moves, everything else follows. And I promise, by the end of this, you'll feel lighter and more fluid. Beginners move slower and smaller. Advanced stretches sink deeper with each breath and increase the range. Did you know that the average person releasing your lower back yet? That just reconnected your brain and spine. Now let's open the side body. Clasp your hands overhead. Inhale. Do you feel that? Lean gently to the right. If not, just exhale left. This stretch unlocks a secret most people ignore, and your posture. And your rib cage can get stiff. Keep your hips stacked. Imagine creating space between your wrist and heart upward. We're countering everything. Hunching, scrolling, disc work. This move rewires your posture from the front side. I promise this will help your shoulders sit taller. You're ready? Reach a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Can you feel one side tighter than the other? That's your posture revealing itself. We've expanded, literally. Now let's fire up the hips. Lift your right knee up. Open it wide. Lower natural spine curve. Roll your shoulders back and hold. 5 more seconds. Feel your chest lift yet? If not, the next move will help you feel the difference through your arms too. Tight. Beginner posture. Let's loosen the tension above. Take your right arm across your body and gently pull it towards your chest with your left hand. Truly cause a brain fast and down. This isn't just a shoulder stretch. It's a reset for the muscles that lock up from stress. I promise this one releases neck tension and improves how your arms move all day. Beginners, loosen the pull if you feel pinched. Online, let's bring in some rhythm. Hands behind your head. Twist and drive your right knee towards your left elbow. Return. Alternate sides. This isn't just cardio, it's coordination. And if you've been feeling tension, that's why we've got another layer to peel off next. Now switch. Left arm across as wide. Beginners, slow down the tempo. Advanced stretches add in the clue. I promise. Twisting wakes up your spine and core as that lead to pain. Builds metabolic momentum. Can you go just 10% faster for the last? Feel how you. Do you feel the heat build? That's progress. That just released your shoulders. Now we're going overhead. Raise your right arm up, bend the elbow, and use your left hand to gently pull the elbow behind your head. This stretch dives deep into your lats and triceps, areas that subtly wreck posture when ignored. I promise this will give you space in every reach, pull, and posture cue. Soft and knees relaxed. Use a towel or don't pull as far. Advanced stretches, slightly lean to the left for a side body boost. Tells your body you're under threat. This move reverses that signal. Hold 5, 1 more inch. Breath, expand the ribs. Do you feel that length behind your arm yet? confidence returning. Thumb up, elbows bent, right hand guiding. You're almost there. Stay with it. I promise the stretch creates mobility you'll feel every time. Energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. Now that your shoulders are open, let's finish by expanding your whole side body. That freed up your shoulders. Now for the final reset. Stand tall, reach one arm overhead and gently lean to the opposite side. Keep the hips grounded. Switch sides at 30 seconds. This is the exhale of your stretch session. It ties it all together. I promise this will help you move through your day with more grace, more breath, and more control. Beginners, keep your stance wide and relaxed. Advanced stretches, add a twist and reach your top hand further over. That means better breathing, better rotation. Last challenge, hold with purpose. 5 more seconds each side. Feeling taller? You should, because you are. That elongated your whole body. Let's seal it in. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or launch your knees, bring your big toes together, knees wide, and melt your torso forward. Arms stretch out in front, or rest by your sides. Forehead down. This is your moment of surrender. You're not just stretching your back, you're telling your nervous system it's safe to soften. I promise this 1 minute will slow your heart rate, quiet body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.